Organic ion exchangers or synthetic resin method for the removal of permanent hardness of water. It is better than the permuted method because in permuted only calcium and magnesium ion, that is only cations, are removed from the hard water. But in case of synthetic resin method, all type of cation and anions are removed from the hard water. These synthetic resins are insoluble polymeric solids having huge hydrocarbon network containing acidic or basic group. These are of two types: cation exchange resins or anion exchange resin. Cation exchange resin. These are huge hydrocarbon framework attached to acidic groups such as carboxylic or sulfonic group. These are capable of exchange hydrogen ion with the cations of the hard water and are called cation exchange resin. This can be represented like this way: resin and hydrogen ion. Next is anion exchange resins. These are also huge hydrocarbon framework having basic group such as hydroxide or amine group. These are usually present as cation exchange resin can exchange cations and anion exchange resin can exchange anions. So the resulting water is demineralized or ionized water. Now the process how the permanent hardness of water is removed by organic exchanger. Hard water is introduced from the top of the tank. It is made up of two tanks, tall cylindrical, in which the first tank is connected with cation exchange resin and second is anion exchange resin. So in first tank, hard water is introduced from the top of the tank, packed with gravel and cation exchange resin. As the hard water comes in the contact with the resin, calcium and magnesium are exchanged with the hydrogen ions of the resin. Like this way, resin and cations, that is calcium and magnesium ions from the hard water combined, it form exhaustive resin or calcium resin or magnesium resin. Now water escape from the tank 1 is free from all type of cations present in the hard water. Now the water contains only hydrogen ion, chloride ion or sulfate ion. It introduced to the another tank packed with anion resin and gravel. Anion exchange resin exchanges the hydrogen ion, chloride ion, sulfate ions present in the hard. Like this way, resin combined with chlorides or sulfates form exhausted resin, that is chloride resin or sulfate resin. Therefore, hydrogen ion formed in the first tank combined with hydroxide ion formed in the second tank to produce water. Thus, water obtained by this method is free from all type of cations as well as anion and is called deionized or demineralized water. As the process going on continue, all the resin is exchanged. So it can be regenerated for again softening of water. First tank, which is cation exchange resin is regenerated by treatment with concentrated sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid. So resin, calcium resin, again when come in contact with HCl, it form calcium chloride and cation resin. Now it is ready again for the softening of water. In second tank, exhausted resin is again used for softening, is treated with sodium hydroxide. Exhausted resin when come in contact with sodium hydroxide, it again form aniline resin. Like this way, both cation as well as anion exchangers are ready for the softening of hardness of water.